Exploring the phrase, bow stick, a simple guide. Hello dear learners. Today, we'll dive into the English phrase, bow stick. You might be wondering what it means, or how to use it. Let's break it down together. First, let's look at each word individually. Bow. This word can have different meanings. It can be a gesture you make by bending your body forward, especially to show someone respect. Or it can refer to the front of a ship. Also, it's a tool used to play certain stringed instruments like the violin. Stick. A thin piece of wood or another material. It can be used for various purposes like supporting a plant, or even as a tool. Putting the two words together doesn't create a common English idiom or phrase. So, if you ever come across bow stick, it's essential to understand the context. Here are a couple of ways the term could be used, based on different contexts. 1. Archery. Referring to a bow, a tool used to shoot arrows, made out of a single stick or resembling a stick in its simplicity. 2. Music. Perhaps referring to a stick used with a bow for playing stringed instruments, though more commonly it would be just called bow. Remember, context is key. The meaning of bow stick can change depending on the situation. Let's look at how bow stick might be used in a sentence. The archer carved his own bow stick from a branch he found in the forest. Here it means a simple bow made from a stick. The violinist's bow stick snapped during the concert. Here it refers to the stick part of a violin bow. And there we have it. The phrase, bow stick, isn't a common one. But like many English phrases, its meaning can vary based on context. Always pay attention to the surrounding words and situations to grasp its true significance. We hope this video shed some light on this term for you. Happy learning and see you in the next video.